Hey guys, I'm back with another deal video. Today it's going to be at HomeDepot.com deal of the day. It's going to be on Thursday, April 16th, 2026. So if you happen to be watching this video after that date, then unfortunately these deals are no longer available. And it is exclusively online on their website. I will have links down in the description below to most of these deals. For some reason, Home Depot doesn't let me add all the links. You can still use a link and then find what you're looking for. I'll get credit for it. And I really do appreciate that support, and it does not cost you any more money. All right, moving to the first deal, we're going to get into some Milwaukee deals, and they basically hit some repeat on some items. And starting off with the M18, this is a compact hammer drill and impact driver combo kit with a 5 amp hour battery and looks like a 2 amp hour one. With the inflator, this can be priced at $291, saving $207. This I do believe is a good deal for this entire kit, being that the inflator, they just raised the price to $199 in the stores. So I think that's a good deal for that combination there. And next up is going to be a 2 amp hour 2-pack of batteries for $105, saving $133. That's 56% off. So I guess if you need some small batteries, that might be a good pickup there. And they brought back a deal on the Forge battery, which is the 8 amp hour one with a 5 amp hour and the rapid charger. That's going to be priced at $240, saving $208. That's 46% off. This is a good deal because that Forge battery by itself is a $229 value. Moving along is the Milwaukee 1/4-inch impact driver with a 5 amp hour battery for $174. That's saving $174, so 50% off. That's a decent deal on that. And they brought back a deal from DeWalt, the 20 volt 6-tool combo kit with a 5 amp hour battery and 2 amp hour one. It comes with that Tough System 2.0 case. The tools that it includes is the Atomic series of the drill driver, impact driver, the 6.5-inch circular saw, an angle grinder with a paddle switch, the 5-inch random orbit sander, and the one-handed recip saw for the 469. That basically comes to around $80 a tool, which is a pretty good deal on that, and especially including that Tough System case to put everything in. All right, next up is another DeWalt offering. It's going to be on the recip saw with a 6 amp hour battery for $208, saving $220. That's 51% off. And here's a good deal on the DeWalt. It's a 2-tool combo kit. It is a hammer drill and impact driver, and it has 2 power stack batteries, which are 1.7 amp hour batteries for $199, saving $130. That's 40% off. That's a good deal on that. Those are excellent batteries. They're nice and lightweight, and they are powerful. And they brought back a deal again on the Ryobi campers kit. It's the 3-tool combo kit with a clamp fan, light, and Bluetooth speaker with a battery and charger for $56.72, saving $77. That's 58% off. And they also brought back another deal on the 2-tool combo kit from Ryobi, the D-handle jigsaw and the circular saw, which is a 5.5-inch one, priced at $64.57, saving $73.43. That's 53% off. I think last week we saw the deal on this kit. It was like around $58, so it's basically another $5 more. Another Ryobi option is going to be on the D-handle jigsaw and that circular saw again, but this time they have it with a 4 amp hour battery for $148, saving $60. That's 29% off. That's not necessarily a good deal for just getting that battery with the 2 tools. So definitely better deal to save the 53% on these two. All right, another Ryobi option is going to be on the 18 volt 8 amp hour battery with the rapid charger for $161, saving $78. That's 33% off. And they have the M12 band file. It's an 18-inch one, and it has 2 1.5 amp hour batteries for $195, saving $164. That's 46% off. That's a good deal on that, especially if you need a band file. And some more Milwaukee M12 options is going to be on the 3/8 right angle impact wrench for $226, saving $173. That's 43% off. It's a very powerful impact wrench. I think it's rated at around 220 foot-pounds of torque, so it could definitely get some jobs done. And that does include 2 batteries as well in the charger. And then they have the same impact wrench paired with the inflator for $295, saving 45%. That's another decent deal on that. And they have a pretty good deal on the pack out floodlight with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries for $132, saving $107. That's 45% off. That is a good deal on that. They do say it's a value of $248. And then they brought back the deal on the inflator with a 5 amp hour battery for $192. That's saving $176. That's 48% off. Again, I think they raised that inflator to $199 by itself for tool only. So it's a decent deal there to get the 5 amp hour battery. Of course, it's not as good of a deal as what we had saw during the holiday time with the 2 5-amp-hour batteries and a charger, and you get a free tool option. But obviously, this is not the holiday time. But if you need the inflator, it's an excellent inflator. I have it, and it's been wonderful. Next up is the Milwaukee M18 5-inch random orbit sander with a 2-amp-hour battery for $130. That's saving 51%. That's $138 in savings. It's a decent deal on that. And then they have the 3/8 impact wrench, which is the mid-torque one, for $270. And they have that with the oil-resistant 5-amp-hour battery for $270. That's saving $218, 45% off. And then they have another option for the 5-inch random orbit sander with a 5-amp-hour battery for $160, saving $158. That's 50% off. That's going to be a better deal to go with over the $130 one, since you're getting a 5-amp-hour battery for the extra $30. So much better deal, in my opinion, on that one. And then they have from DeWalt the 20-volt 5-amp-hour power stack battery with a charger, which is a 4-amp charger for $134. That's saving $44.73. That's 25% off. And they have a pretty good deal on the DeWalt 6-amp-hour and 4-amp-hour battery with the 4-amp charger for $107, saving $242. That's 69% off. Excellent deal there on that battery starter kit. And then next up is the DeWalt 7¼ inch sliding miter saw with a 4-amp-hour battery and charger for $349. That's saving $150. That's 30% off. This is a good deal on that miter saw because the miter saw by itself, I think, is around $369 as a tool only. So it is decent savings there to get that battery and charger, which I think, well, currently that deal over at Lowe's did end yesterday. If you bought that saw for the $369, you're going to get a 5-amp-hour battery for free, but that deal is no longer in effect. So this is going to be a good one to replace that one if you are in the market for that small miter saw. And another deal from DeWalt is going to be on the 2-tool combo kit with the Atomic Series 1/2-inch drill driver and the one-handed recip saw with 2 2-amp-hour batteries for the $229, saving $115. That's 33% off. And then they brought back another deal on the hole dozer kit from Milwaukee. It's a bimetal hole saw set, 17-piece set for $50.47, saving $69. That's 58% off. And then they brought back a deal from Rigid. It's a 2 battery kit, the 4-amp-hour ones with the charger and bag for $71, saving $205. That's 74% off. Now, we saw the deal last week. I think it was like around $60 or so. So they did raise the price on it, but it's still a good deal to get the 2 4-amp-hour batteries for the $71. And they have a good deal on the 2-pack of the 6-amp-hour batteries from Rigid. It is their max output batteries for $125. That's saving $144, 54% off. And then they have an inflator deal from Rigid. This is going to be similar to the DeWalt one because it has the hose to it, so you can inflate like air beds or other inflatables for $115. And they have that with a 4-amp-hour battery. That's saving $93. That's 45% off. Decent deal on that one. And they do have some deals on some lawn and garden equipment. I'll skip over most of these items, but the DeWalt one is a decent savings of 22%, $135 in savings. So the chainsaw, which is a 20-inch one, flex volt, 60 volt, and it has a 5-amp-hour flex volt battery. Otherwise, it's a 15-amp-hour, 20-volt battery for $479. And it also comes with that extra chain as well. And I'll just kind of skip over these mowers. And then these other savings from DeWalt is not the best, so I'm just going to skip over them as well. And they do have another chainsaw deal, the 18-inch one with a 3-amp-hour battery. It is the flex volt one as well, 60 volt. $349 for that. That's saving almost $95, 21% off. And then they have from Rigid the 18-volt 12-inch electric battery chainsaw. It is tool only for $129, saving $60. And also from Rigid, they have the 510 CFM blower. That's rated at 130 miles per hour for $129, saving almost $83. That's 39% off. And then more Rigid offerings is on the hedge trimmer. It's a 22-inch one. It's a pretty good size one, actually, for $129, saving $60. That's 32% off. And you can also save 32% on the 14-inch string trimmer tool only for $129. So decent savings there from Rigid. And they brought back some other deals on some portable battery stations with some solar panels or no solar panels. So it just depends on what you're looking for. But this is decent savings on the one with the 6,000 watt output, which is a 3,840 watt hour power station with the solar panel for $2,500. That's saving 43% on it. And I'll skip over the wrenches here. And then if you're a plumber, they have a pretty good deal on the ProPEX expander, and it comes with a 1/2 inch, I guess 3/4 and 1 inch heads, as well as the PEX cutter tool for $549, saving $249.01. That's 31% off. And they have from Ideal the Sure Trace Circuit Tracer. That's good for both AC and DC. That's priced at $260, saving $43. That's 14% off. And they brought back another deal from the Husky, the 5,000 lumen hybrid power swivel rechargeable spotlight for almost $35 there. That's saving $20. It's hybrid because it has a internal rechargeable battery, and then it also is powered by AA batteries as well. So you have options there. And they only have okay savings on the socket sets from Milwaukee, saving only 15%. So if you happen to be like a mobile mechanic, that might be a good pick up there to have everything in a pack out, nicely organized. And then you can save 21% on the 2 sets of the sockets, the 3/8 drive, as well as the impact sockets for $269, saving $70. And they have decent savings on the Milwaukee Fastback. This is like one of the original ones that has the string cutter or seatbelt cutter, however you want to use it. But they also have that with a 50-piece utility blades set. So it's only $19, saving $10. That's 35% off. Another decent savings on the Milwaukee hand tools is on the 4-piece kit, which is saving 25%, $18 off. So it's $55 for that. And this kit's around like $14 a tool, which is not too bad. And this is not so much a great savings of only 14% with the pack out and sockets, and then the screwdriver set for $301. Then they have the Lineman's 4-in-1 insulated ratcheting box wrench, $52, saving only $11. You save 19% on the 78-inch magnetic I-beam level. So that's only $70, saving $16. And then another Milwaukee hand tool option. This set's $52, which is saving $13. That's 20% off. That comes to around $13 a tool. Then they have the Torx Precision Screwdriver Set, 6-piece set in total. That's priced at $24, saving $6. And another plumber option is on the PEX tool with a copper cutter, it looks like. That's priced at $549, saving $199. That's 27% off. Then they have the press kit with the PEX crimp jaws and the 2 2-amp-hour batteries and the earbuds for $749, saving $149. That's 17% off. But again, take a look at the reviews of those earbuds. They don't have the best reviews. And they basically repeated the deal here again. And they do have some pipe wrenches from Milwaukee for $169, only saving $10. So not necessarily a good deal on that. And they have from Husky the 52-piece homeowner's toolkit for $30. They say that's a $45 value. So again, that's not the best savings, but for like a little homeowner's kit, might be decent there since it does include the hammer, utility knife, a torpedo level, a wrench, needle nose pliers, and looks like a screwdriver set and a tape measure. So not too bad to have like in a kitchen drawer, a little homeowner's kit like that. Next up is decent savings on the Milwaukee 60-foot fiberglass fish stick combo kit with accessories for $169, saving almost $71 there. And also from Milwaukee, they have the 100-foot polyester fish tape with non-conductive tip for $80, saving $35. That's 30% off. Also from Milwaukee, they have the digital circuit breaker finder with digital GFCI receptacle tester for $65, saving $15. That is 19% off. And also from Milwaukee is the digital circuit breaker finder with circuit breaker finder accessory for $60, saving $20. That's 25% off. That is a decent savings there from Milwaukee. And it also comes with other accessories. So something that's nice about this one is that you can actually connect it to the bare wires and then put the plug in, which has the different plugs there. So you can be able to find the circuit breaker. Other kits do not have this option here. It's just going to have the plug, so you're only limited to be able to plug it into a receptacle to find the circuit breakers. It also comes with a plug for a light socket as well. So it's a pretty decent kit right there for only $60. And then they have from Ideal the Sure Trace digital circuit tracer. It's rated up to 480 volt and it's good for both AC and DC for $170. That's saving $42, and that's 20% off. And that's going to be it for the deals for today, which is April 16th, 2026. If you did gain any value from it, I would really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video. And also be sure to subscribe if you're not already and help the channel reach the goal of the 50,000 goal mark that we have, where I will be giving away 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits when the channel does reach that 50,000 goal. And I do appreciate that support, and I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.